Hey there and welcome. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unlock the new Canva AI tools inside Magic Studio. If you've ever wanted to edit your images faster, cleaner, and with a little bit of AI magic, you're in the perfect place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what these powerful Magic Studio tools are and how they can make your creative process smoother and a lot more fun. Let's dive in. Alright, to get started, first click on any image in your Canva design. It could be a photo you've uploaded, a project you're working on, anything at all. Once you click on your image, you'll notice an edit toolbar pop up near the top or side of your workspace. That's where the real magic begins. Click on Edit. This simple step takes you straight into the world of Magic Studio, where all the new AI tools live. Now, as soon as you're in Magic Studio, you'll see a panel of several different AI-powered options in front of you. It might look like a lot at first, but don't worry, I'm going to walk you through what each one does and when you might want to use it. This way, you'll be able to pick the right tool for the job every single time. The first tool you'll see is the BG Remover. This is short for background remover, and it does exactly what it sounds like. With just one click, Canva's AI will separate your subject from its background. Imagine snapping a photo in your messy kitchen and instantly focusing just on you with the chaos in the background gone. It's perfect for profile pics, product shots, or any time you want your subject to really stand out. Next up, we've got the BG Generator. This one takes things even further. Instead of just erasing your background, it lets you completely generate a brand new one. Maybe you want your portrait in front of a sunny beach, a cool cityscape, or something totally artistic. Just ask, and Canva's AI creates it on the fly. It's almost like stepping into a photo studio without ever having to leave your desk. The Magic Eraser tool is your digital cleanup brush. Let's say there's something in your photo you wish wasn't there, maybe an unwanted sign, a photo bomber, or a stray coffee cup. Just brush over it, and Magic Eraser will fill in the gap, blending it so no one ever knows it was there. It might take a second for the AI to process, but the result is usually pretty seamless. Then there's Magic Grab. I love this one because it treats parts of your image almost like stickers. You can select your subject and move them around freely within the photo. Great if you want to shift someone to the center or quickly recompose a shot without having to start over. Similarly, Grab Text is super handy if your image has text embedded in it. Instead of retyping or painstakingly recreating the words, you can use this tool to pull the text right out of the image. This can save tons of time, especially if you're updating graphics like flyers or posters. And finally, Magic Expand. Have you ever wished you could zoom out of a photo to see more than what was originally captured? With Magic Expand, you tell Canva what you want to reveal, and it uses AI to intelligently fill out the edges of your photo. Suddenly, that tightly cropped picture has a whole new frame. So those are the amazing new Canva AI tools inside Magic Studio. Even though we just walked through them, try clicking around and experimenting with each one the next time you're editing. If something feels new, give it a shot. These tools are there to save you time and spark creativity. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you found this helpful, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up and drop a comment below with your questions or ideas for future tutorials. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides just like this one. Happy designing, and I'll see you next time.